Part 2. We're still trying to get across. I found something. I ain't found shit yet. Hold on. You gotta make sure. You have to make sure you're stepping on fucking wood. Because I'm above people's fucking ceilings right now. So, I think. Where the fuck? Oh, I see the hole. I think I see a hole. I'll get to you when I get over there. Alright. Alright. So I got to the problem. That's originally somewhere fucking over here. Oh, this shit's fucking where the fuck it was. Anyways, we got it in there. You got it down there, Ryan? No.